Welcome to the Consulting Talks. Today I will be telling you about one of the errors that we get when we extract a zip file. So मैंने यहाँ पे get into PC website से Adobe Photoshop download किया हुआ है. So when I'm trying to extract, I'm getting this error, right? Cannot complete the archive extraction wizard. Extracting this archive is not currently supported. Support for encrypted archives of this type is currently unavailable. So if you get this type of error, you just have to use 7-zip. So what you can do is download 7-zip and then go to this website, download 7-zip. Yep, this is done. Now come back here and now select the zip file, go to show more options, 7-zip and extract. यहाँ पे पासवर्ड के लिए पूछेगा and you can type 123. Press OK and yes. So this is how you can extract these files using 7-zip. There are other software as well, but 7-zip easier रहता है. So yes, you can use this and extract using 7-zip if you get this kind of error. But yeah, happy to solve if any other problem arises. Yeah.